What's up, family? Now, XRP was up today. XRP got back up to 232. I think that was my dollar cost average. Let's see. Custom alerts. Nah, we got it. 231. We up 8% today on XRP. This is one of them things, family. Like, you gotta be buying XRP. If you don't have any XRP, you gotta be buying this. Like, check out when I was buying. I've been buying this like crazy. Like the 30th, the 27th, the 23rd. Every time I get some extra money, I put it in the XRP because I understand where it's going. And I want to run this portfolio up and I want to show y'all. Okay, Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin, let's go to Bitcoin, y'all. We establishing position. This is for people who don't have positions in Bitcoin or XRP or Ethereum or any of those coins in the top 10. Let's say that, right? We want to mess with the top coins, maybe the top 3, 5 coins we want to go off into right now. So that would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, pretty much in a nutshell, right? So look, I was buying Bitcoin 27th, the 20th, the 17th. But I show y'all this because I want to do a $5 a day challenge, right? So right now, I'm going to buy $5 worth of Bitcoin, right? We're going to submit that. That easy, family. $5 worth of Bitcoin, right? Now we got 0.007. We're looking for 0.001. And in the future, we want 0.25 is the goal, right? 0.25 is the goal. All right, we up 19% on Bitcoin. We just bought some. And then you can go down here and see January 1st, we bought Bitcoin, $5, right? And on top of that, I'm going to put $5 into this XRP every single day, right? $5, but I'm going to make a market order with XRP. XRP has to come back slightly, right? So let's put a limit order on. Y'all see that? Limit order, set limit price. I want it to be $2.29. We'll set it for that, right? And then when it comes down there, amount of USD, we want $5, right? Review that. And then we're going to put that order in. Just that simple, family. Now, when XRP pulls back, it'll put me that $5 in, right? You feel me? So, on XRP, today we up 9%. But overall, we up $4. And that's it. That's it. Because we established a new position. And we building it out. Because XRP going to $5. Then it's going to $10. Then it's going to $50. Then it's going to $100, family. So, let's do the math. Let's say XRP goes to $10, right? You got 1,000 coins, roughly, right? That would be $10,000. So, if XRP gets to 10,000, every 1,000 coins that you have, that will be $10,000. So, if you have multiple thousands, congrats. But if you have just 1,000, congrats. If you have 100, congrats. Because understand, if you got 100 coins, XRP go to $10, that's $1,000, right? And that'll cost you, let's see. If you buy, let's see. Let's go see how much that'll be. We're going to see this for if we buy 100 coins, that's $234 with the spread that Robinhood has, right? So $234 will lead you to 1,000. XRP go to $10. Or you can go get 1,000, or you can go get you a couple thousand. Or you can join me and buy XRP $5 a day, right? Into XRP, Bitcoin, whichever one you want to, family. But get started. Now, you can start with $1 every day. I'm going to start with $5. Now, if you got some ends, you can go with $10 every day into each Bitcoin and XRP. But you can go with $5, split it up, 5 in the XRP, 5 in the Bitcoin. Or you can go with $1 in the Bitcoin, $1 in the XRP. Or $2, $3. The price of XRP, you want to at least get one. So if you get XRP every day, you'll have a couple hundred. You see what I'm saying? At the end of the year. But that's up to you. But we're going to do this $5 a day challenge. And this is where we're going, family. We're trying to stack these cryptos before they really take off. So y'all be in the chat. Y'all ask questions. Let's start learning. Because this year, family, if you're not trying to face your financial, what I want to say, we have to face our financial trauma, right? We have to stop living in the never-ending cycle or the rat race, whatever you want to call it. You feel what I'm saying? We have to, simply decide to invest in assets, crypto, real estate, businesses, whichever the one is, right? And we have to just simply decide that we're going to go hard for our last name and build a legacy for our children's children, right? So you just got to simply decide, family. But I'm going to be buying these $5 a day, and I hope you do it too. So y'all stay tuned, and we're going to see where we at in a few months. Every quarter, we're going to have a video seeing what we was doing. $5 a day. That's how we're going to do. I love y'all, family. Peace.